Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, I'm Crypto Maximalist. Thank you very much again for joining me for another little daily update on Verasity. Before we begin, please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below. Really appreciate all your support. And with that being said, let's take a look at the charts without further ado. Taking a look at firstly at this local area for Verasity, you can see pretty clearly that we have been coiling up under this level of resistance. It's this Fibonacci 038 level, sitting at around 8.5 cents. We've obviously been stuck under this level for a good while now. You can see we came up into this level, got a big rejection, another big candle up into it, and then obviously since then we've kind of just been chopping sideways. Not very much volume. I mean, there has been a lot of volume, but not very much volatility, I should say, in this local area. We have really just been chopping sideways like this. A lot of people complaining about manipulation in the markets. I've seen in some of the comments on the recent videos saying that there's a massive sell wall at this level. And I'm not surprised because it's probably just a Fibonacci level in this local area. And you can see on the charts that we have been stuck under this level here. Obviously, it's coinciding with that 038 Fibonacci level, as I said, and also heading up towards that big 1 cent psychological target, along with the overextension of this previous swing high into around 1.1 cents as well. Obviously, we're going into a few areas of resistance in this local area, so I'm not surprised that we would be seeing some selling pressure at these levels. But you can see pretty clearly that Verasity has started to move and have a decent bump off the low that we have been seeing here. We've got this resistance that was descending here that we broke out of recently. Obviously the big descending wedge that we've seen since the start of the year, pretty obvious. The breakout, the back test of the 023 Fibonacci and also the 100-day moving average here. And then since then the bounce, as I said, into resistance here, the next key level, which is around that Fibonacci level at 8.5%, moving up again after we've coiled up here and looking like we are trying to test and break this level once again. On the hourly time frame, you can see this happening in more granular detail. You can see the coil here, basically testing the low, high, and now we are retesting the high again to see if we can break. Right now, Verasity looking like it is struggling to break through this level. So if that is the case, we could see ourselves grinding here for a little while longer, but as I said, when we do eventually break this level, which I do believe that we will, the next key target for me will be heading up to that next Fibonacci level once we can get past that swing high at 1 cent. And then obviously beyond that, we've got the technical target still at the 618 at 2 cents as well for Verasity, which I do think it's going to get hit at some point. And right now looking like that would be around a 2.5x from the current price, which is obviously a very nice little gain from the current price as well. I do think this is probably going to be happening over the next few months, considering that we are probably going to get some decent volatility at Christmas, and also just interesting to see what will happen next with Bitcoin, which is now at 42k as well. Once that does start to go sideways and loses momentum, you will see some money flowing into some altcoins like Verasity, and I do think this is probably going to come good in the long term as well. You all know my long-term targets by now, heading up towards that $1 level at the top of this big channel. You can see we've been playing around in this for years now. And really, I do think going up into that $1 or maybe even $2 level for Verasity is very possible. And also, that would obviously be really nice to see. So, that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please do like and subscribe, leave a comment and all that good stuff. Join the free Discord down below and become a YouTube member. And with all that being said, I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.